Hey guys, it's Kimball again, and for my Where Are the Deadly Volcanoes case report, I chose to talk about the About a column about eruption forecast. And from this I learned that there were 5 different US volcano observatories around the world, and from those observatories they're able to deduce that volcanoes have a very early warning system phase. And if you look at this little graph right here, it shows you different types of natural disasters like flood, hurricane, earthquake, wildfire, or volcanic eruption. And the warning systems for those for an eruption is weeks ahead of any of the other ones. So that's pretty cool thing I learned from there. And then for monitoring, I chose to do it for gas and water. And so I learned from that just about how gases will leave the magma inside the volcano and rise quicker to the surface, which allows them to be detected and analyzed by scientists. And water can also transport some of the material inside the volcano, giving scientists info on the conditions deep inside the volcano. And then if there is an increase in gas output, that can also be a sign for scientists to see that there's heightened volcanic activity occurring. And then for the hazards column, I chose to do it on ash and tephra, or at tephra and ash. And so basically tephra is just large chunks of magma and rock put together that is ejected violently outside of a volcano, and that can damage communities in many different ways. But also ash is ejected, and it can blanket itself over different communities and even farmlands, and this can cause building damage, can poison water supplies, can destroy power supplies and communications, and like we said, agriculture as well when it goes over all those farmlands. And the fourth one I did was for preparedness. And this was just kind of cool about the emergency planning kit and how you got to prepare. You have to know what you're going to do, what each member of your household is going to do, where to meet, and the way to get there, so that everybody is safe when this happens. The most interesting thing I found was about the ash and just how it can affect the community in so many different ways. Thank you.